Good afternoon, friends. This is Jenna Amberge. I'm the Assistant Director here at Sky Lake Camp and Retreat Center in central New York. What a beautiful day we have this afternoon. We have one of our first days that really truly feels like fall, in that I'm actually wearing my flannel at this point all day because it hasn't warmed up enough to be pleasant enough to go without. So just an added layer of comfort, and to let you see this beautiful view of our lake. I'm standing on what we call the Bridge of Silence because it's just a beautiful spot to stand and look and watch and listen. Look down the length of the lake here on the northeast corner. You can see some color. The path off here to our right leads off towards the south cabins and the east shore. But I'm going to walk along the trail here on the lake trail. This is the road behind us that you see. The outlet for the lake goes underneath the slough and the road and heads on down towards, ultimately all the way to the Chesapeake Bay area. But the lake trail here comes along the lake. One of my favorite spots to take a photo. I often let these pictures here, these trees here, frame my picture and provide such a beautiful view. So as we walk along the lake trail, I wonder what you have reflected on if you had an opportunity to listen to Matt's message at his campfire on Sunday. We've been talking about the scriptures that highlight the Beatitudes. And this week Matt was focusing on blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. What does that mean to you? Blessed are the meek. As you think about that, does it make you think about the definition of the meek of being weak? Of a person that often gives in to others? Or is it along the lines of what I think Jesus was saying, in that blessed are the meek, those who are humble and modest. God doesn't want us to always be forceful and frightful and forceful in getting what we want by putting others down. Such a beautiful day to walk along the lake and reflect on our world today. Can you think of ways that you can be meek, ways that you can live as Christ would like us to live. Views of the lake through the trees. As we walk, I kind of wished I'd started the filming about 5 minutes before, because as I started at the Bridge of Silence, the great blue heron took off from its standing spot near the boathouse and flew gracefully across. So, looking at ways that looking at ways that you can demonstrate being meek, using a gentle voice, considering how you talk to someone, how you might explain a situation. So I hope you enjoyed this view with the sunshine coming through the trees. I can't rotate that. Sorry about that. May your week be filled with, there it is. Oh, pause. It chased the heron out of its perch in the tree. I'm not sure if you could see it. But may your week be filled with positive occurrences. May you have answers to prayers. May you have peace in your day. May God bless you, and thank you for coming along on this hike with me today. Join us again on Thursday as we have our second hike of this week at 1 o'clock. God bless you.